Hi mga leaders! Welcome back to another episode of our coaching series. Kung napanood nyo yung last video natin, pinag-usapan natin ang root cause analysis, especially with the use of 5 whys technique para malaman kung bakit paulit-ulit ang issue sa performance. Now, let's take it one step further. Kasi kahit alam mo na yung root cause, kung wala ka namang clear action plan, wala ring mangyayaring improvement. So in this episode, we're diving into SMART action planning. For example, nag-coaching kayo na agent and nalaman mo na yung problema. Hindi niya gamay yung tools, kaya mataas ang AHT niya. So, anong gagawin mo? Ito yung sagot. Gawan mo ng SMART plan. Not vague, not generic. Dapat klaro, structured, and most importantly, trackable. Pero ano nga ba ang SMART? Let's break it down. S for specific. Dapat klaro kung ano ang dapat ayusin. Not just, uy, improve mo yung AHT mo ha. Dapat may detail kung paano. M is for measurable. May number, may target. Kasi hindi mo naman mami-measure yung, uy, basta galingan mo next time ha. A is for achievable. Kaya niyang i-commit based sa skill level niya, sa tools, and sa support na meron siya. R is for relevant. Dapat konektado to sa root cause ng behavior na wino-workout mo. Hindi pwedeng plano lang para masabing may plano ka. And T is for time-bound. Dapat may deadline. Kailan dapat makita ang improvement? Now, let's turn this theory into something real. Let me walk you through a SMART action plan based on a real-world coaching scenario. Now, let's say si agent laging mataas yung AHT. After using the 5 whys, nalaman mong hirap siyang mag-navigate ng tools habang may kausap ng customer.
So, Beverly, recap ko lang yung SMART plan natin and yung commitment mo. So, again, you'll focus on using shortcut keys to navigate faster during live calls. Ang target natin is to bring your AHT down from 780 down to 650. That's correct. Now, we'll do a post-shift tool mastery sessions every day for 1 week. This helps you move through screens faster, which is your biggest blocker. Now, we'll track your progress until next Friday. Then, we'll review it together.
Diba? Klaro, specific, trackable, and most importantly, hindi overwhelming kay agent. This is what separates empty coaching from effective coaching. Hindi kasi pwedeng puro sigaw na lang at basta ayusin mo SMART, make sure na may step-by-step plan na alam ng agent at alam mo. And kapag ganito ka-clear ang plan, mas motivated si agent kasi may direction. So just to recap, root cause finds the why and SMART plan gives you the how. In the next episode, let's talk about how to coach and address more than one behavior. See you next time!